Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Julie. It is finally Friday, December 1st. So we're in the last month of the year. In November, we had these fantastic profits in the market. I mean, the month went vertical, straight up, really straight up, almost straight up. Uh, Two red candles were, until the very end, to the target. So what we're looking for in December is, just calm. The buybacks are in force, so there is a float higher. 46.25 is the Black Scholes mean for the month, and there are no puts really below 4,500 um, unless you get into 4,300, and that's down here by my monthly ones. We can, calculate this different ways: 30 days, the calendar days, 4 weeks. So I have different ways to do the distribution, and I look for confluence. And I see this confluence around 44.76 to 44.70. So that is going to be my support that I'm going to be looking for. It also lines up with this 30-day twos at the moment. So 44.75 to 44.70. And if I take the full month, 256 points for our opportunity for the month, and look at that for the top. This is, assuming that we stay in this low vol, which, we're assuming will happen. We could get this August high and sweep that stop this month. So we could see our new high for the year. And that would be, really nice way to end 2023. So if they do that, then you're not going to be looking at 4,500 really to hold. I think they're going to sweep those stops a little bit and bounce it at 44.75, 44.70. So just be careful. It could go 30 points easily below 4,500 if you've got 4,500 for your risk, according to the Black Scholes model. Everything is looking at that 4,500, as the risk, and I'm looking at it at 44.70. Other than that, we clear the 46.25. It's just, flying. The first standard deviation is 47.60 on the applied volatility, and that lines up right about where my 256 points, 47.50. So that 47.50 is looking really, really nice for an upper end target. And that would be based on a bounce around 44.75, 44.70. We would be in this potential range. So that's what I'm looking at for the new month. Um, and again, this is assuming that we keep this low volatility program for the month. If we start, flying volatility above this 30-day one going higher, then of course I'm looking, for these lower 4300s to get tested: 4330, 4312, 4288. So just trade the vol as always, and gird your loins, right? But these buybacks or seasonality, um, locking in, there are already many companies buying back their shares. The volatility is low. I don't see any need. There's no fear in the market at this moment. There are no puts being stacked. I don't see any need to think of a high volatility scenario for December. Um, we could go flat. but somewhere in this 256 point range. And I would say from 44.70 to 47.50 ish. Okay, guys, y'all have a great one. We'll see you next week.